The anticipation for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is palpable among tech aficionados, and for good reason. The upcoming smartwatch is expected to be a significant leap from its predecessors, with a host of upgrades that promise to enhance both performance and user experience. With Samsung sticking to a new model each year, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 could be just months away. So what are we expecting from the new wearable? On Twitter, Leaker the Galax wrote, "One of the most exciting prospects is the rumored inclusion of the Exynos W940 processor. This chipset is speculated to be a powerhouse, offering a 50% increase in efficiency and a 30% boost in speed over the previous model. There were reports earlier that the Exynos W940 would be the first chip from Samsung to use 3 nanometers process. Such improvements could lead to a smoother interface and extended battery life, which has been a sticking point for smartwatch users who crave longevity between charges," according to WinFuture's reliable tipster, Roland Quant. On Twitter, Quant posted that the Galaxy Watch 7 will be based on Exynos 5535, something he expects to eventually be marketed as the Exynos W940. When you think of the Galaxy Watch, whether it's Samsung's original smartwatch or the more recent Galaxy Watch 6, you probably think of circular screens. After all, that's the design Samsung has offered from the get-go. But things could change when the rumored Galaxy Watch 7 arrives later this year. According to Crowrow, a known tipster, Samsung will be launching a Galaxy Watch 7 Classic, a Watch 7 Pro, and some mysterious third variant. This could simply be the base, sporty model that Samsung generally launches, but rumors are floating around that the company is working on a smartwatch with a square display too. There are many ways Samsung could choose to market each watch, but we do fear a bit of confusion on the part of the consumer. Having two watches makes sense, but when you add the third model, things could get a little messy. We shall see what Samsung intends to do. One of the best smartwatches, the Apple Watch, features a squared-off design, of course, but other smartwatch makers try to differentiate their offerings from what Apple has. There were reports in early 2023 that Samsung would be switching to micro-LED tech for Galaxy watches in the future. But as we've heard nothing since, we'd assume this is penciled in for a later generation. What if the next Galaxy Watch bezel was both rotatable and swappable? In terms of variety, Samsung may be looking to expand its offerings with 3 different versions of the Galaxy Watch 7. This move could cater to a wider range of preferences and budgets, although details on the differences between these versions remain scarce. Price points are expected to start at around $300, with premium models and LTE capabilities increasing the cost. It seems there may be a second generation of the Pro model this year, and that should sell for upwards of $449. Considering the competitive pricing of rivals like the Apple Watch and Pixel Watch 2, Samsung's Galaxy Watch 7 could offer a compelling blend of features and value. Lastly, the integration of new software and AI tools, hinted at during Galaxy Unpacked 2024, could provide the Galaxy Watch 7 with an edge in customization and functionality over the Galaxy Watch 6, with a potential release alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in July 2024. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 is shaping up to be a highly anticipated addition to the world of wearable technology. Stay tuned for the latest updates, and until next time, take care.